For me, whenever I think about crackles, immediately my mind goes to snap, crackle, pop, because that's exactly what the crackles are in my mind. It's popping or bubbling sounds. And that's exactly what you hear when you're pouring milk into Rice Krispies. True or untrue? It's true. I know. I'm a Rice Krispies girl. Okay. So snap, crackle, pop. That's what I think about, both how it sounds and those keywords. That popping or bubbling sounds can be related to crackles, specifically fine crackles. And those sounds are due to the fluid in the alveoli.